My name is Steve Compton. I'm president of Rhino Linings of Midland. We've been in business about 12 years here. Well, I think our customer service really sets us apart. We really strive for customer service. We pick up customers at their home, bring them here, deliver their cars. We do have several quality checks that we go through, so everything's checked and double checked. If a product fails, we stand behind it first and foremost. So if you bring your product in, we change it out right then. Again, we stand behind the product, and if there's a loss to be taken, we typically take that. We don't expect the customer to take that. With the Rhino Linings products, it's a little different because it's a nationwide warranty, so we've had very few warranty issues with the Rhino product, but if there are issues, it's taken care of, it's spelled out, anything can be handled quickly and efficiently. So we just make sure that everything's done right, done neat, and doesn't void any warranties or anything like that on vehicles. I love the fact that the customers, when they come in, they're happy. They're getting something for their vehicle that they want. So when they pick up their vehicle, they've got something they're proud of. They tell their friends and family. It's just always happy people that we're dealing with generally. That's my main thing. I've done other businesses that generally when you're talking to somebody, they're either spending money they don't want to spend or shouldn't have to spend. And in this industry, it's just kind of a fun industry. People are happy. Well, don't be intimidated by the parking lot. I mean, sometimes our parking lot's completely full, so if you show up and there's no place to park, just kind of make one. Other than that, come in and meet our guys, and we've got a really good staff here, both in the front, very knowledgeable guys. They're knowledgeable in the industry, they're knowledgeable with products that we sell, and the guys in the back, they're very knowledgeable on how to do installs and do custom work. If you got something that you've got in mind, you're not real sure how you want to handle it, come in and we can get it done.